This. Well, this is roomier than I thought it was going to be.
Clean.
Yeah, you can tell they've taken really good care of it.
Can you do me a favor? Go stand in there. I want to get a
Idea of a person in the room?
person. Yeah.
That's what I was
Walk the length of it for me, would you?
All these built-ins. This is one of the nicer mobile homes.
This I would never expect to be a mobile home.
I know it. This is awesome.
There's plenty of room out here.
Yeah, there is.
Got a big dining area. You don't have your table crammed in that little spot.
Speaking of cable internet, does that come out here?
I'm sure it does.
Because that's what I do for a living. So that's going to be a requirement. I will have to have a solid internet connection for this.
There's a good sign for you.
Yep, there you go.
I know it.
Right after my preaching to you.
I like it. Business hours subject to change during hunting season.
Amen to that. This is really nice.
It sure is, Andy.
This is really, really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to cut that off.